I do you want to create a new product and then you want to cover your product name or anything. So you wanted to create a book and then you wanted to cover your book. So this platform for smart mock apps, it will amazing. It will create your ebook or your digital marketing. So you are going to create it exactly like this. You see in front of us, you are going to create exactly like this, and then you are going to. There is another platform I want to show you. You are going to sell here, so you are making a lot of money just like in very few simple way. You are going to create an ebook and then go sell, or you wanted to create any kind of first day, or you can create anything you want. So you can go to place like a t-shirt or uh, so here I'm like t-shirt frames, laptops, books or Macs or desktop tablets. So many things you are going to, you see here t-shirt here, lots of computers. So you are going to create it in the same way. So uh, I want to show you so how you are going to create like this one. This platform is one of amazing. So you are going to create it. So let's go to take this file. We don't want this one. If we are going to reload new file, here is our file. We just click it here. Then this file you see it's going to copy. So look here, it's a book, and then font, and then you see here book is the free. So you are the book, and then you're going to sell on another platform. So I'm going to show you in my next. You are going to how to set up your store there, and then to sell uh, free digital marketing platform. It's amazing. Everything is free. So we are going to do it in the same way. So this platform smartmockups.com. Okay. So you see here, this is amazing platform. So this way you are going to create your digital marketing products. So thank you, and I want to see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.